I'm Rich DeMuro. Let's break down what you need to know about the new iPhone 12. For starters, there are two main models, the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Then there are two different sizes of each. All of the phones have 5G wireless connections, which will be faster than 4G at some point, but those networks are still pretty new and the fastest speeds can still be hit or miss. Don't worry, the new iPhones will still connect to 4G networks. Now, the other new thing the iPhones have are stronger screens. Apple calls it ceramic shield. Basically, if you drop your phone, you have less of a chance of the screen cracking. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. Now, the phones also have this new A14 Bionic chip inside. Now, the other new thing on these phones is something called MagSafe. These are magnets on the back of the phone that lets you attach accessories instantly, something like a wireless charger or a wallet or something else. Expect this to be a big business and to see a lot of these so-called snap-on accessories. All right, now let's get to the differences between the phones. So you've got your iPhone 12 mini, which has a 5.4-inch screen. Then you have the iPhone 12, which has a 6.1-inch screen. Both of these phones have two camera lenses, a wide angle and a regular. There is no dedicated zoom lens. Of course, you can still zoom in, it's just digital, pinch and zoom on the screen. Now, these phones also come in 5 colors: black, green, blue, white, and red. The mini starts at $699. The 12 starts at $799. Both of these phones have 64 gigabytes of base storage. Now on to the iPhone 12 Pro. Again, two sizes here. The Pro is 6.1 inches. Yep, that's the same size as the iPhone 12. The Pro Max is 6.7 inches, the biggest screen ever on an iPhone. Now, the big difference here with the Pro models is really the camera setup. You're going to get 3 lenses instead of 2. An ultra-wide lens, a wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens that lets you zoom up to 4 times optically. Optical zoom is better than digital zoom because it's going to look a lot clearer. Now, the other thing you get on the Pro versus the regular 12 is a LiDAR scanner. This is a laser scanner that helps with autofocus, especially at night, and also with augmented reality. There's also Apple ProRAW if you really like to edit your photos pro style, and Dolby Vision. Now, the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max come in a couple colors: graphite, silver, gold, and this cool new Pacific blue color. The Pro starts at $999, the Max at $1,099. Both of these phones have 128 gigs of base storage, so you get more storage. It's also double the amount that Apple used to give at the entry level, and I am very excited about that. Oh yeah, one more thing. A lot of people are talking about this online. Apple is no longer including the headphones that you know and love or a power adapter in the box, starting with the iPhone 12. They say it's better for the environment, and it probably is. Now, you will get a USB cable like this, but here's the thing. It is the newer style USBC, which has sort of a smaller connector on one end, so you might not have the adapter for that right away. Now, the bottom of the phone is still a Lightning port, so your old cables and plugs will all still work. They just might not charge the phone as fast. All right, so how do you choose? Well, the iPhone 12, I think, is going to be just enough for pretty much everyone who needs a new smartphone. But if you have to have the absolute latest and greatest that Apple offers, or the best materials that Apple offers, and of course the best camera, you're going to want to go with that 12 Pro or that 12 Pro Max. All right, I hope this helped you out. My name is Rich DeMuro, Rich on Tech.tv. Thanks for watching.